உன் மனசுக்கு ஒண்ணு சரின்னு படுது. நீ பாட்டுக்கு அதுக்கு செய்ய வேண்டியதை கரெக்டா செஞ்சுட்டே தான் இருக்கணும். அது நீ நினைச்சபடி முடிஞ்சாலும் முடியாட்டியும் நீ கரெக்டானதான் செஞ்சேன்னு உன் மனசுல ஒரு திருப்தி இருக்கும்ல, அது ஒண்ணுதான் லைஃப்ல 100% நமக்கு கிடைக்கக்கூடிய ஒரே விஷயம். மத்ததெல்லாம் 50-50 தான்.
Brother, what is your good name, brother?
Sridhar.
Sridhar,
I am
okay.
Sridhar from Bangalore.
Okay.
I'll show you a couple of photos.
I'm really lucky to meet Sridhar, brother. I didn't expect people almost in many part of Karnataka. People are very friendly, and the very greatest point thing is that he has taken me, even in spite of his travel schedule, he has taken me to the good places over here, which I missed actually, that Gaganachuki waterfalls. But even I have seen the 1,000 years old masjid, Dargah.
This is how I used to go on scooty.
Okay. Okay. That picture view is very.
This is my
classic
place, Bangalore.
Okay.
Yeah, from there, Ooty.
Okay.
On scooty only I have gone to Ooty.
Okay.
Full tent, everything.
Oh, perfect solo traveler. Once again, I'm really thankful to Sridhar ji, and thank you, brother. Thank you. We'll be in touch definitely.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Now we are going to this. He is going to drop me because I was not able to get the right vehicle over there, and that time I felt like some messenger from the God. Maybe it was very close to this Dargah, and I don't know what to say. Thank you. Good. இது வந்து ஒன் ஆஃப் தி ஃபேமஸ் தர்கா மஸ்ஜித். இங்கே ககனச்சுக்கி பாராச்சுக்கி போகணுன்னா இதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு. இது வந்து ஒரு 1000 years old masjid. So this dargah is very close to this Gaganachuki waterfalls is also famous. From here also you can see. Say hi to.
Hi. People have gone there now.
How they gone?
I don't remember. We used to go from here, and there used to be one more.
Okay.
But it is prohibited actually. If you get caught. Come from the other side. That is the point.
Okay.
That is. Sir, ಇದು ಗಗನಚುಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು
பண்ணி வச்சிடுறாங்க.
ಬೀಳ್ತೀಯ ಕೆಳಗೆ.
ஒரே நிமிஷம். People who know swimming can manage because if you fell down now, then it will be very dangerous.
Now from there it is directly. People will not be able to find your body also.
Okay. Oh, this water is coming from falls only.
No, it is going to fall.
Okay, going towards falls.